Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, and in today's video I will show you how to change your screen timeout on your Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your settings on your Android phone, and the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you scroll down and look for display and brightness. So go ahead and click on that. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down right here until you get to screen timeout display. Go ahead and click on that and you are here. So in some cases, by default, I have my phone to be 15 seconds, which simply means that if I'm not doing anything within 15 seconds, the screen is going to be turned off automatically. So you can adjust and make it like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes as the case may be, which simply means that by the time, whatever time you set in right here, by the time you are doing anything on your phone or you are not doing anything on your phone, until that time elapsed, the phone will not turn off, the screen of your phone will not turn off automatically. So in this tutorial, I'm going to put my phone screen timer to be 1 minute, which simply means that if I'm not doing anything within this period of 1 minute, the phone will be active, and then it's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Android phone settings, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.